up, guys? Today we're with the 53 farm truck, and we're gonna be showing you my 3 favorite things about it. Number 1 favorite thing about the old farm truck, the LS swap. Check this thing out. It's a 2014 iron block 6.0 out of a 2500 Silverado, and we pulled it out of a junked truck and swapped it right into this with minimal headaches, I think. It's fantastic. It's turnkey reliable, and man, you gotta hear this thing purr with the exhaust we've got dialed in. One of the cool things, Evan, that I like about this is you've got a Corvette intake on it. So you got rid of the ugly truck intake that I have on my LS swap. So that cleans it up, and it's just packaged really nicely in there. You don't have wires hanging out everywhere. It's super nice and clean. If Chevy would have made this truck today, this is probably what they would put in it. I don't know what the actual factory spec horsepower is on this, but this one put down 329 rear wheel horsepower. Which is pretty good. A little bit less than what I have in mind, but for you, it's not too bad. Number 2 favorite thing about the farm truck, the interior. We've gone all out on this, completely dialed it in, custom leather seat, new carpet, sound deadened the whole thing. Excuse me? It smells of rich mahogany in here. Yo, it is. Restored the dash. It's very original style looking, although it's all modern kind of plushness in the high density foam seat. Super comfortable. One thing you don't see in the interior here is I've got a hidden stereo system. I got a sub under the seat, a couple 6x9s, even the receiver to turn it on, tucked up underneath this dash. You would never know it has any kind of tunes by poking your head in, especially because it's got the tall tale sign of being an original farm truck with the AM radio delete in the dash. I've kept it like that. That's awesome. Another really cool feature in the inside is you had to hook up a couple of hidden cup holders, billet aluminum. I got 2 of them. So you can go drive by the Starbies and get a couple of Americanos if you're feeling fancy. And the distressed leather, whether intentionally or not, actually matches the patina on the outside. Kind of works really well with the overall farm truck kind of look. Thank you. It was intentional. I'm glad you understand what I was going for. Number 3 favorite things about the farm truck, stance. It's perfect. Low, not slow, but got the perfect wheels and tires, wide white walls, Speedway leafs in the rear, independent front suspension with coilovers in the front with custom cross member Scott's hot rods supplied. Thing drives like a Corvette. Not to mention 4-corner disc brakes on this thing, so it's safe. And you know what we always say, safety third.